Hello! So, since marami-rami na din na nag-PM sa akin kung paano nga ba ako nakapuntang Japan, kung paano ako nakakuha ng visa, kasi going to Japan requires a visa if you are Filipino and you need to be a passport holder. So, in this video, isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano ba ako naka-apply ng visa for Japan. So, you hang in there. Makinig, kasi tuturo ko sa inyo ang lahat ng requirements na ginawa ko, sinubmit ko for me to get the Japan visa. So, hindi ako nag-agency, DIY lang yung sa akin. Of course, first and foremost, the very important thing is you should be a passport holder and your passport should be valid for 6 months before the departure date. Second, you need a visa application form. This form needs to be typewritten. And then, kailangan neat siya, walang erasure kasi yung meron akong kahit konting erasure, pinakorek siya sa akin. And then, kailangan siya ng wet signature. You can download this form in the Embassy of Japan of the Philippines. Then, a visa photo, which I will put the description na lang in there. Then, PSA certificates, birth and marriage certificate if you are married. And they will also ask for a daily itinerary in Japan. Like for example, pupunta ka doon ng 5 days. So, ilalagay mo doon ang mga gagawin mo within 5 days. Isa sa mga very important thing na chine-check ng Japan Embassy is your financial documents. If you are financially capable of traveling at kaya mong i-sustain ang sarili mo within the period na nilalagay mo doon sa itinerary mo. So, first, they need bank certificate. Yung bank certificate, makikita doon yung average daily balance and yung bank balance mo. I-request mo lang yan sa bank mo kung anong bank yung meron ka. Tapos, magbabayad ka lang ng 100 doon. Bibigyan nila sa'yo yun. Next is your certificate of employment. Very important na certified na nag-work ka talaga, na may work ka talaga. And kailangang original yung document na yon. And it should be indicating your salary, date of hire, and position in the company. Finally is the ITR or income tax return. Yung pinaka-latest na BIR 2316 yung dapat i-submit mo. Kailangan na clear photocopy of your ITR ang kailangan nila. So, kung mag-apply ka ngayon, dapat, kasi wala pang 2026, so dapat yung 2316 sa 2025 ang isa-submit mo. So far, these are all the requirements that I have submitted. If you have questions, please comment na lang. Hello mga kapatid, I'm so sorry sa lahat na nag-message sa akin na hindi ko man lang ma-reply ng maayos. Pasensya na kayo guys, sinulit ko lang yung mga araw ng bakasyon ko dito sa Japan. Kasi hindi ko alam kung kailan ulit makakabalik, diba? So, kaya ginawan ko na lang ng video para isahan na lahat. Send ko na lang to sa inyo lahat at panoorin nyo na lang. And please feel free to comment your questions. If you have additional concerns or questions, i-comment nyo please para masagot ko din po ng maayos. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Don't worry because sharing is caring and we should share our blessings. Okay? Bye guys. God bless. Thanks. See you.